All right, let's get into it. So today I'm going to show you how I make this super delicious spinach dip. To my pot, I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to empty this entire bag of spinach down in here. My heat is on medium high. I probably have it higher than that, but I'm going to tell you guys medium high because you want to just quickly stir it off. You don't want to boil it and it just be full of water and blah, blah, blah. So I'm using It's Lit lemon pepper. If you don't have that in your house, I don't know what's going on, but to order it, the link will be in my description box. All right, so now I'm just going to gently, move it around, toss it around with my tongs so I don't spill it. Y'all know how it goes. And this is all I have left once I was done. I didn't cook it to death. Once it's wilted, that's it. You cut it off. It's still bright green and ready to go. And now I'm just going to allow it to cool and I'm going to chop it. You want to make sure you chop it down to small bits and pieces. To my bowl, I'm going to add cream cheese. I'm also going to add the chopped up spinach. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you check it out, especially before you drag me. So now I'm going to add my scallions down in here, some peppers, my fire roasted tomatoes. Do not leave these out because they definitely elevated the dish. This is the brand and kind that I use, but there are several different others. It really doesn't matter. I'm going in here with Spicy Girl, which is my own spice. Again, you could order it down below. And some smoked paprika for that smoky flavor in the back. You already know how we do over here, okay? Next, I'm going to add my white cheddar cheese and mozzarella, and I'm going to mix all of this up together. Now, before y'all talk about me, yes, I can see that my hands are very ashy. I've been cooking, cleaning, recording, editing, walking, everything. Okay, so I've been washing my hands all day, so my hands are always ashy because I'm always washing them. But that's neither here or there. Now I'm going to pile this spinach dip into my ramekins. I put a layer down, put a little bit more mozzarella down, then I topped it off with some more spinach dip. Then I topped it off with some more white cheddar and mozzarella. I'm going to pop the whole entire pan in the oven at 400. And I'm going to bake this off until they're nice and golden and bubbly. And again, this can be for 2 to 3 people. As you can see, that little small one in the back, that's the one I'm definitely going to be eating. And yeah, so this is how it looks. Nice and bubbly, golden, delicious. And right here, as you can see, I have chips and I have peppers. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Originally, I wanted to eat this with the peppers and some cucumbers, but I was like, okay, not everyone's, trying to be low carb or anything like that. Let me also show you guys what you can use and eat with this as well. That's just as delicious. It's super cheesy, super flavorful. It's packed with spinach. The tomatoes definitely take it over the top. And yeah, but I ate it mostly with the peppers. I love yellow and red peppers. They're my favorite. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think. I love you guys for always showing me mad love. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.